Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and priming the hardware. Charge the controller above 20% and press the pair button for 5 seconds until its LED flashes. On your phone, tablet, or PC open settings, go to Bluetooth and switch it on. Keep the device unlocked so prompts appear. Make sure you close other active Bluetooth pairings and move within about 3 meters of the controller to reduce interference. Once done, watch for the controller to appear in the Available Devices list and stay ready to select it. You now select and configure the controller. Tap its name in the Available Devices list and accept any simple PIN such as 0000 or 1234 if prompted. On consoles, use the System Bluetooth or Accessory menu. On PCs, use the Add a Device wizard in Bluetooth settings. If the controller offers a profile choice, pick Gamepad or Standard mode, because that affects button mapping. If an official app or firmware update prompt appears, apply it to ensure compatibility and lower latency. You finish by confirming the controller shows connected or paired, and then immediately test buttons in a controller tester or a game's input settings so mapping is correct. If you experience lag or disconnects, first move closer, disable other Bluetooth devices, and restart both the controller and host device to clear transient issues. If problems persist, reset the controller following the manual, commonly pair plus power, or forget the device in Bluetooth settings and repair. This clears cached profiles and often fixes stubborn pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.